with another video. As you've seen it from the title, today's destination is Mexico. I don't want to be too loud because it's almost 5 o'clock in the morning right now. We just landed. Like, we got to the hotel last night around 10 p.m. and it's almost 5 and we're outside. We are out. We ain't missing no time because we got stuff to do on this video. We got stuff to do on this vlog. We're ready to go out and explore Mexico, so make sure you don't miss out anything. There's a lot of things that's going to happen on this trip, let me tell you now. There's a lot of activities to do, so make sure you are subscribed to me and follow me on Instagram so you don't miss out anything. But I'm so excited for this trip. I've been waiting for this trip, so I'm telling you now, I'm gonna do the most. Period. I'm gonna do the most. I'm telling you now. It's 5 o'clock and I'm ready. Let's go. It's freezing cold, guys. Oh my god, it's 6 o'clock and we've just done our registration to go to the hot air balloons. Oh my god, it's freezing, but it's so cute. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh, he's such a cutie. And there's another one here. Who else is excited? Oh my god. Can you see that? Can you see that? Oh my god. Here it is. Oh my god, it looks huge.
Lunes, no más. Te digo cada vez que pasa. Quizás no quieres algo más. Será que fue un sueño, pero desperté. No sé qué soy. Ay, baby, dime qué somos, porque siempre andamos solos. Nunca en tu barrio ni el vecindario saben tú y yo qué somos. Ay, baby, dime qué somos, porque siempre andamos solos. Solamente dime si es un vacile, al menos sé que somos. Me estoy ojo para buscar esa respuesta. Muchos lo preguntan pero no contestas. Ya no sé lo que yo soy para ti. Y eso es algo que a mí sí me molesta. Cambia la actitud como quieras, no sé, pero ya no aguanto este juego otra vez. Si es que tú me quieres, hoy lo quiero ver. Ponme tu perfil y di que eres mi mujer. No sé qué somos. Si más que amigos estamos bien. Si no, pues dime que yo me bajo ahora de este tren. No sé qué somos. Si más que amigos estamos bien. Si no, pues dime que yo me bajo ahora de este tren. Que somos, porque siempre andamos solos. Nunca en tu barrio ni el vecindario saben que
Oh my god. Oh my god, they are so skilled. They popped us inside the trunk or whatever, which is linked to the car. So they got skills. They got skills. How was the London? Yeah. It was crazy.
Nobody ever talks about that when they talk about the hot air balloon ride.
So this was the van, guys, that we got attached, and the balloon was here attached to this, and we got dragged, and we're having a break. We got wine. Wait, what? Oh my god. Yeah. Ooh. We got wine. 7 a.m. Come on. Toast, ladies. So we're gonna have breakfast now. It's a beautiful day. The place is so pretty. Let me show you guys. It's so peaceful.
Hola.
Hola.
Very pretty woman.
Thank you.
Wow.
You're from London.
Oh, hello.
I love it.
I love you.
Thank you. I love you too.
Thank you so much.
The people are so funny. They're taking pictures with me. They're so cute. I love Mexicans. They are so funny. Oh my god. We're gonna have some food now. It's a buffet. Let me show you. It's a buffet, so let's eat. We woke up so early. Let's eat something. There's a Mexican breakfast. How's everybody doing? Amazing. Enjoying. Thank you.
In Mexico, eat Mexican food, it can't get any better.
So, second activities of the day. I think we're going to learn about the culture of Mexico. Is that what we're doing? It's a beautiful area. So my new friend has been gifting me so many things.
Hello.
Look at what he gave me. That is so cute, man.
Un placer, un placer.
That is so cute. Look at that.
Mexico.
I love it.
Okay.
I love it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, he's so sweet. It's so hot now. Oh, feels so good as well. Okay, so we are gonna explore the pyramids now. We have an hour. Oh my god, it looks so high. And there's little shops all around the street. Small shops and businesses. And it's so hot as well. Oh my god. Guys, the good thing is everything is included, like the breakfast, pyramids, the hot air balloon, everything is included in the price, and that is so nice. Can you hear that noise? I love it. So the driver just dropped us to the hotel. It was so good. Oh my god, it was so worth it. I'm gonna leave a slide for you guys with all the details, everything that was included in the price and everything, the timings as well. If you want to do it, it was so worth it. Like, oh my god, it was such a good experience. So me and the girls, we're going out to have some drinks, some cocktails, some tequila, some margaritas, you know what I mean? Some nachos. Oof, I cannot wait. I can't wait. So yeah, this is the plan for this afternoon, and yeah, that's why a quick outfit change. We keep it rolling. We'll be back again. Everybody wants to go video.
Like, will we take?
I can't take them anywhere. I can't take them anywhere. Location number 2. Okay. That looks cute. Yeah. Are we going outside? Hiya.
Come on, Liz.
Another one.
You want that one or you want me to? Which one? Oh, sunshine.
Enjoy.
Some traditional Mexican shit.
What do you have? She got guacamole,
Yeah.
fajitas, tacos. It looks good. Tequila, everything. Oh my god. Go on. Well done. Well done.
Okay.
Morning, angels. Morning with a view. We love it. Look at this view. I crashed last night. Oh my god, I was so tired. This view is beautiful. But today's another exciting day, so I'm excited. Outfit for today, baby. So what is the plan? Me and the girls are planning to go to a place called the Floating Market. It's very popular for tourists. It's very colorful. So when I tell you that this outfit has been planned carefully, like this choice is strategic. This color is being planned. I know exactly what I'm doing. I know exactly what I'm doing. You will see why. But yeah, this is the plan for today. I'm excited. So yeah, let's go. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Yeah, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. There's like hundreds of police officers everywhere. Like it looks like a movie. This looks like a movie. Ooh, so this is what's happening today. We are doing the floating market. Oh. Gracias. Woo. Say hi, ladies. What's the plan?
We're going on our little canal boat ride.
Hola. Hola. Gracias, guys. Guys, as you can see, it's photo shoot time. Everybody's trying to get a picture. We're having a last drink as well. We're living. Can you hear the music? No. This trip, can I come in? Can I come in? This trip is lit. I'm gonna come in. Should I come in? Okay.
Este bandido.
Este bandido. Yeah, that's pretty.
Look. And the price, almost free.
Almost free, of course.
Oh,
Of course, almost free.
Almost free.
Activity of the day, the floating market in Mexico. Look at that. Look at this. It was good. How's everyone feeling?
Fabulous.
Took long?
Long, yeah. Ready for bed.
You ready for bed? Would you recommend the experience?
Yes.
Would you recommend it?
100%.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Viva la Mexico.
It was only £5 though.
Yeah.
It was
Viva la
£5.
Mexico.
Yeah.
Viva la Mexico.
It was only £5 for real. Back to the hotel room. We gotta talk. No, Mexico is such a good trip. This is my first time in Mexico, but I'm shook. I am shook. Mexico has my heart. This trip is a 10 out of 10. Oh my god, we've had a beautiful experience on water, and it was only £5. It was only £5. Everything that you saw was £5. So basically it was 500 pesos per hour per boat. So no matter how many people on the boat, whether 2 people or 10 people, it was 500 pesos per hour, and then 750 pesos for an hour and a half. So we took the 1 hour and a half for 700 pesos. There was 5 of us. 700 divided by 5, 150. 150 pesos is £5. No, you got to do it. If you're ever coming to Mexico, you have to do it. Oh, it was so good. And they have extra services. If you want to play your music, they have speakers. If you want to connect your Spotify and everything, they got music. If you want a live band to play for you, if you want drinks, oh my god. If you like alcohol, if you like to drink, Mexico is for you. Let me tell you that. If you want the tequila and margarita, oh, Mexico is for you. Mexico is for you. The people are so nice, so welcoming and everything. Oh my god, they are so polite. I even found my husband. I found my husband yesterday. I found my husband yesterday, but that's the story time for another day. But overall, Mexico is a yes. I'm definitely coming back to Mexico. It was such a beautiful experience. Like, I really hope you have enjoyed this with me. Now, in terms of safety, I'm not gonna lie, it's okay. I was expecting the worst, but it's okay. Just be aware of your surroundings and make sure you don't expose too much your valuables. Like if you have jewelry, expensive jewelry and stuff, make sure you keep it with you in the hotel or in your bag or whatever, but make sure you don't display too much your jewelry and everything. But overall, I'm coming back. Mexico has my heart. I'm coming back. But I really hope you guys have enjoyed the vlog. It's time for me to go back to London because you already know the drill. It was only a 4-day trip, so it was only 2 local nights and I gotta pack my bags and go back to London. But it is what it is. But if you have enjoyed the vlog, please don't forget to support your girl. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, to like, to subscribe, to share, to comment, and whatever. Do whatever you want with this video, but just show some support. And I will see you guys in my next video. Until next time, please stay safe. I love you guys. Bye guys.